to come here and say what? Guys, I don't know how I feel. Like, this is like a very long gist. But yesterday was one of the best days of my life. Lillian Uzowulu Chinasa. Okoli Sarah. You see those two people? I don't know how they did it. They literally got all my friends and somehow they just pulled up a surprise party for me, and everything was just chill. Like, I couldn't eat, I couldn't drink, I was just happy. You know when you're so happy to the point that you didn't even remember that you've not eaten? That was how crazy it was. And then I woke up this morning and I still have so much joy in my heart. I'm so grateful. Like, being a good person actually really counts. And you might not just get it back all the time, but for any time you're going to get it back, like, people would legit pour back into you without overthinking it. That was how I felt yesterday. Like, a whole lot of people came through for me. Even my friends that couldn't come around, they made videos. Some even sent money. Like, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. Really, really grateful. So I am officially 30. I do not know what this 30 is going to look like, but I have plans of being the 30th human on earth, whatever that means. I'm just going to be 30 and striving and living and loving and glowing and shining and enjoying my life, because 30 years on earth, no be beans. Easy. If you're watching this video right now and you're probably getting close to 30, or you're feeling like, oh my god, I'm getting older, guys, age is just a number. I don't even feel 30. I don't even feel it. So trust me, whatever age you're clocking, it's just a number. Don't pause your life. Don't feel some type of way because you feel like you're getting older. It doesn't work that way. You need to just live and enjoy. I need to end this video here because I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I have a couple of gifts that I need to unwrap. I think I'm going to do that before I leave the hotel. So yeah, right now I want to quickly go swim. I'm going to swim. Hey, bad deal. Okay, bye guys. So I'll see you all before I leave this place. All right. Why you in one place? Move. Do like this. You're moving. Good girl. Why? It's not going. No, it's even a little bit farther from you. Nice. Flap, 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 flap. Good girl. Nice. I go like this. Stay away from the wall. Stay away from the wall. Come like this. Thank you. Yay! I like this pink. Good girl. You did it. Leave my. Come out from the wall, Angel. Come and talk to the camera.
I can. I'm swimming. I'm swimming with a floating tire.
That's the only thing you don't know.
My hands are moving like this. My legs are moving. And I'm like,
Ooh.
Sure, you see all this money you made on your bedroom? Go and buy yourself something nice. It's not hell, because I know you. Me and you are the same thing. Next thing now, you go find more investment. You can go lock and inside piggy vest. Don't try it.
It's the piggy vest. for me.
Go and buy yourself something nice. You don't have to spend all the money. Just buy yourself something nice. Maybe share it with people to do something. I don't know. You want bone straight, you buy bone straight or something. I don't know. Just get yourself something nice. Then you keep the rest and spend it. Inugo? Yes, ma. Say yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Spend it.
Investment lady.
When you spend it, I should spend for myself.
Investment will not kill somebody.
Spend for yourself.
As in, do something nice for yourself. It's not every time that they used to do investments. We cannot keep ourselves. You hear me? Probably, or you are saving for your camera. Do you get?
I can add it up to my camera.
Do something nice for yourself. So,
but you know, if I'm going to add it to my camera, I will add everything.
don't add everything. No, I will slap you. In fact, you need to give me a breakdown of how you spent that money. Because me like you have a problem.
But I like that camera part. Anything to save the money, I will take it. Okay, I promise I will do half. And that's the camera.
You know, it's something that you got out of your birthday, your whole thing.
When I send the half of it to Piggyvest for my camera, I will screenshot it and send to you.
And then the remaining half, if you buy food, you send to me. If you buy shawarma, send to me. Whatever you buy, just send to me so that we know that this is the money you are spending. I don't want to. This one, I know her. She's the one that spoils me with. And small money where I don't see, I don't find where I want to put her. But it helps. The truth is that it helps because those money will yield dividend at the end of the day and save you from some kind of small disease.
But please, let's leave camera. Those in favor of me buying bone straight, say aye.
Aye.
Those not in favor, say nay.
Nay.
Wait, those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Those not in favor, say nay.
Nay, go and buy camera.
The nays have it. Camera coming through, guys. It's probably take me another few months to buy that camera, but to come true, hopefully. Make I just make up one money. Pastor Jeremy said that's what you're saving for. Somebody will give you as a gift.
Amen.
Somebody will give me camera.
Amen.
Amen.
It will happen. It is very possible.
Yeah.
But make the effort first. God is a God of effort.
Yeah.
If he sees that you are putting effort in it, it will shock you.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go and unbox my gift so we can go. Unboxing. Give me wine.
Oh, stop booking.
Hi. So I'm ready to leave, but before I go, I wanted to quickly do an unboxing because I got some gifts from my friends. And I'm so excited. So let me start with this. This one, like this. Hey God, I really love this. So I'm going to start with this. I was so what's that word? Curious yesterday. I had to open this thing yesterday. I was screaming, you guys. So let me read what it says. It says, come close, come close. It says, happy birthday, best friend. Flashy! Flashy. This is my best friend. You guys. Goody said this girl name. Just look how what this girl gave to me. Like, I love it. This is my first frame. Oh my God, when I saw it yesterday night, it wasn't even as clear as this. Like, I can see it so clearly now. Guys. I love it. Now this frame is making me want to get a bigger apartment so I can put this somewhere that I'll be seeing every day. I love it. I love you. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. I've always been running away from having a friend. And I never saw it coming. I never did. Thank you, baby. I love you and I love you. What next? And I got this package from Zaron. My friend Precious got me things from Zaron. Hey, my friends are so thoughtful. I called Precious, so I was asking her how much is foundation, concealer, blush, everything. Guess what, you guys? All the list I sent to her and asked her for prices that I wanted to buy is exactly what she gave me as a gift. Like, I don't even know how I feel, but I'm really excited. So thank you, Precious. I love you, baby. I love you. And this one is from Anita and Mitchell.
Oh.
It's so girly. Like they got me perfumes, body spray. This is what I use. How did they know? How did they God, this is what I use. They got me fancy liner. Oh my god, this is like a very thoughtful gift. A body spray too. And oil perfume. Ooh, Gucci. Ah, nice go. Heish. Oh, I love it. Thank you. This is also from Precious, you guys. I'm so embarrassed. So Precious gave me something I can use to massage, head massage, neck massage. Yeah, basically for massage. Come here, woman, where are you going? Neck massage, head massage, everything massage. I've never tried this before, but I don't know if I'm going to try it, but well, Osara, thank you for my makeup and thank you for my massage therapy. My friends are the craziest, you guys. And then I have this. Lots of bags, like lots and lots of bags. Oh, before I get into the bag, see this thing I'm wearing. This one I can use it to sleep, date, do everything. So this is also a gift from Lillian. Oh yeah, and my sister made all my outfits for free. I am not paying a dime. Like we already calculated how much I was going to spend on my outfit and everything. And me in my head I was already like, okay, I'll just maybe pay her like 2 or 3 times. But guess what, guys? She said I am not paying a dime. Like even with the sleepless nights, the stress she went through, like she made about 4 outfits for this birthday. She made 2 for my photo shoot and then she made 2 for the main birthday, and I'm not paying a dime for anything. Hey sister, let's just move on. But I love you, girl. I love you because I know you'll be watching this video right now. Thank you, sister. I love you. So this is a bag. I love this bag. It's so cute. I cannot pack it back. Let me just show you guys everything. And this, I really like this one, guys. It's cute. Like the brown is everything. And I've never really had a brown bag before. So this is really nice. And then I like this. Ooh. And yes, last but not least, this one. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, I like the fact that it's unbranded.
Yeah.
So this is it. There's one more stuff. Bella got me a jumpsuit. Also, give me the jumpsuit. See it. Bella got me a jumpsuit. I already unwrapped it. This is it. I think I'm going to wear this stuff and probably do a video. But the jumpsuit is so cute. It's like an open back jumpsuit. So this is from Bella. I love it. I really love it. Guys, I had fun. Like, this is the best birthday ever. It's just going to be back-to-back celebration. And this just made me realize that maybe it's not so bad to actually have birthdays. So you don't have to do anything extravagant or anything, but just be with your people, your community on your birthday if you can, right? So yeah, that's it. I really had fun. And I'm so grateful. So very grateful. I'm about to leave this beautiful place that he brought me to. As much as I would love to stay, but I'm going back to my house to resume my living alone diary for you guys. So birthday is officially over, but birthday week is not over, right? So yeah, so thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. Thank you guys for following me on this my birthday journey. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you comment, like just drop a comment, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because when they were praying for me yesterday, everybody kept saying more subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, million subscribers, I was just shouting amen. How is that going to happen if people are not subscribing? So please subscribe, okay? Is that all I have to say? Is that all I have to say? Yes, that's all I have to say. So this vlog is officially over. All right, I'm heading to my house. Cheers and thank you to all the people that sent me money. You know when Mr. Macaroni say, "Come, let me freaky your account," they freaking my account yesterday, guys. Oh my god. So thank you guys. I love you guys so much. I will see you all in my next video. All right, bye. Stay safe. Love you.